Well, I have finally done it. I have passed my first evaluation account, and I did it with Top Step, trading futures. Finally, after 3 years of learning how to trade and trying to become a funded and profitable day trader, today is the day that I have passed my first evaluation ever. And it is sweet. It's unimaginable, and it is extraordinarily. I don't even know. I don't know what to say. There was a lot of time there where I was really starting to feel like maybe it isn't attainable. Maybe it's never going to happen for me. I've done so many different accounts and have failed so many of them that I actually thought that maybe this wasn't going to be something that was going to happen for me. But I stayed with it. I continued to learn. And today is the day that all of my hard work and everything that I have done in the last 3 years has finally paid off. And it feels absolutely incredible. Let's hit the charts. We'll go over the day real quick. First, we're going to talk about the 5 trades that I missed that could have ended and I could have ended my trading much, much earlier today. There were 5 opportunities that I just completely missed because, truth be told, and to be quite honest with you, I've never been so close to passing an evaluation before that I was afraid to get into the market. I was afraid to get into the market. I was afraid to lose, and I was afraid, that I was going to end up failing another account. So it took me a while, a couple weeks actually, maybe like a week and a half to 2 weeks, to actually get my butt in the market to get this done. And so here on screen, I've marked off 5 different opportunities, good opportunities that I just completely didn't really miss them. I saw them, I called them out on the live, I just didn't take them, right? So New York session opens here, got a bunch of volatility here as expected, right? But then we get some really nice price action, some really nice market structure. Price continues to the high side here. Nice, really, really nice strong move to the upside, momentum, lots of volume, clean move, right? Get a little bit of a pullback here, and you can see where the liquidity comes in here. You can see how price is being stopped exactly on a particular price a particular price point here. And quite honestly, with the close of this candle and the following candle, could have been a really, really nice entry. If you're a little bit more aggressive, honestly, after the this candle here, as soon as it turned green, you could have gotten in for a really, really nice entry here. Really, really tight stop loss below here. And what a beautiful move to the upside. If you had missed this one, which I did, it gave you another opportunity here. You can see the liquidity building underneath here, right? Had a nice move, close within the liquidity, and immediately push out. I talk about this setup a lot, and it happens all the time. Beautiful setup. When you get this final push into liquidity, you close within the liquidity area here. You almost always get a quick push right back out of the liquidity in the same direction that the market is already moving. Missed opportunity number 2. Number 3, nice clean move to the upside. Very nice clean move to the downside. This wasn't a quick retracement. It didn't fall. This was a very nice, clean, slow retracement back into our liquidity zone. Okay, we dipped in and we moved right back out. Really nice bullish close here. Entry would have been right there. Could have been beautiful. You could have even gotten in on the next candle as it pushed lower, never breaking the bottoms here. And again, nice move to the upside, right? Retesting highs here, move back into liquidity. Big, strong push into liquidity, stopped. Strong push back out. This one maybe not so great of an opportunity just because you're really not sure how much more upside we have here. But day is bullish. The entire day has been bullish. Asian session, Europe session, New York session, continuing to push higher and higher and higher. This yet again would have been another opportunity that I did not take. And then if you missed all four of those, the market gave you another opportunity. Continue to move up, making new highs. Nice, easy, slow, clean pullback into liquidity again. You can see the liquidity building here. Into liquidity, bullish close here. This would have been a very, very nice entry to continue moving and making higher highs. Now, at this point, I'm a little upset with myself. I made I've 5 missed opportunities here where I'm still sitting on a very, very small $500 trade is all I needed to pass this combine. And I would have hit, I mean, honestly, it could have happened 5 times here, right? Well, I looked, we're approaching highs of previous day. We continue to push a little bit past that. So I ended up taking a risky trade here, but it paid off. We'd already made a very, very, very large move, okay, to the upside all day long. So I was confident enough that we were going to get at least a decent sized pullback up near the highs. So I waited, and you can see some liquidity starting to build here. It's not a lot. It's not that great. We continued to push and continue to push and continue to push. Once we got this candle here, this nice bearish candle out of the highs of the day, I decided to take a very risky but could be worth it trade here. We called this out. We were live for this. We caught this on the live session. So I went in light. I went in with 5 micros. Very, very nice tight stop loss here. If we continue to make new highs, I want it out. Okay. And we almost got stopped out here, but then price continued to move in our direction as we made swing highs here. I trailed my stop loss, and as we got closer to where our take profit was, I continued to trail the stop loss tighter and tighter just to make sure we lock in profits. This was only a $650 trade. I only needed 540 or whatever it was to pass the combine, but I let it run. We executed this trade really, really nicely. Super proud. And this was the trade that finally passed an evaluation. Boom. We caught it on the live session, which was awesome. So if you guys want to see that live, go check out the video of the live session today. We caught it there live. Worked out really, really nice. The execution played out really, really well. You guys, again, can see that in the live. And then I wasn't targeting just a price point, okay, because otherwise I would have gotten out a little sooner. I was still targeting a liquidity area, okay, where I knew price was going to go to, or most likely going to go to. And it did. We pushed right down into that area, and then price continued to make new highs. But at that point, we had finished uh the combine, the evaluation. So that was it. I said, I'm done for the day. I'm not trading anymore. I was extremely happy, excited, relieved, all kinds of emotions, right? And so we decided to just take a break, went out, enjoyed the weather, did some grocery shopping with the family, and now I'm back here making this video for you guys now that I'm a little bit more settled in my excitement, to be able to come out here and finally make this video saying I passed. I passed. It feels fantastic. I have my I already have my certificate here. Yes, I blocked out my name. It's none of your business. But I passed. Here's my certified funded trader through Top Step. I have my Express account already. I paid my fee. We're good to go. We're good to go. I think, to be honest here, I'm gonna take a couple days and not trade in the Express account yet. I have another 50K account that I'm gonna work on trying to pass that as well. I'm gonna take the rest of the week, trade within that 50K account, try to get that passed as well so that I have a backup account. Um, and that way I can allow myself to really kind of sit in my happiness and my excitement and not have to worry about that overtaking my focus with a funded account. Um, so with that being said, we've done it. Finally, I am a funded trader. I can say that I'm a funded trader. Does not mean that I'm a profitable trader. Does not mean that I'm consistent yet. All those things, right? That will come with time. But I can at least say that I am a funded futures day trader. And that feels good. Feels fantastic. So for all of you out there that are still trying, I have failed and failed and failed and failed and failed so many challenge accounts with different companies, even with Top Step. And I just want to say, don't give up. Don't give up. It will happen eventually if you stick with it, study your trades, get better, even if it's just a little bit each day. And eventually you will be sitting in the same position that I'm sitting in and be able to call yourself a funded trader. So good luck to you all. I want to thank all of my supporters, all of you guys that have subscribed to my channel, everybody that has joined the Discord, um, everybody that has had conversations with me in the background, throwing ideas off each other. Let's continue to build that. Let's continue to build this community here so that we can become successful together, and then we can turn around and help other people do the same thing, because this is the best job in the world. Period. Hands down. No questions. This is freedom. You just have to learn how to get there. So let's do that together. So if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel. Do me a favor. Continue to support and subscribe to the channel for me. Like, comment, share, turn on notifications. I come on live every day. And now it'll be in a funded account. And don't forget to join the free Discord as well. Link will be in the description for that. Thank you guys so much. I am ecstatic. And yeah. All right. So thank you guys. I appreciate you. Let's get it. Stay green. We'll see you guys in the next one.